Yeah, those treats. Hello, Mr. Roxy. How are you? How's the daddy? Look at your little puppy scratching. There's little puppies everywhere. Look at how cute they are now. Get them, get them, get them, get them. Okay, let me put this over here.
All of them but one.
Oh, really? They're all gone but one? No, no, no. Come here, look.
That one right there.
Oh, really? Okay, here, Roxy. Rocky, puppies. Rocky. Roxy, where'd you go? Here. And I got little ones for you little guys, all pre-cut. Oh shit, he got them. Here, look at little guy, look at. Right here.
He's in the bag.
Oh, hey. Here, little, oh, she's that little puppy. Here, look. Here, look. Little piece, look at. He doesn't know what it is. No, that's for the babies. Here. Hey, oops. Here. Hey. Look at, oh my God, you guys. Hey, you're gonna get me in trouble. Listen, you can't be in that bag. You got. I know. Here. Why are you crying? Look. Wait, Rocky. Let this little guy have one. He doesn't understand what I'm doing. There you go. Now you get it. Here. What's this? There you go. Here, Rocky. I got a bunch for you too. Don't worry. Here, don't let your puppies get them. Over here. Look, right here. Here, Roxy. Don't let the babies get them, okay? There you go. Hello, little white girl. What? You want one of these? Oh, hey! She was in the bag. Yeah. Here's a little baby one for you. That's a baby size. Here you go, kitty. Here. Look. It's okay, look. Couple little owners over here. Yeah. That one still in the bush here, even after getting. Oh, he got a hold of a big one too. These little guys are fast. You're still in the bush even after you got caught in there. Get it? There you go. No, you can only have these ones, and not too many. That's two, I think, for you. But you, hey! Oh, shit! Your little teeth are pretty sharp. It's a big screw. Your little. Here you go, little guy. Cutie pie. Look. Roxy, you giving my camera kisses? Here. No, you dropped it. It's here. No.
You want the bag.
No, you can't have those ones. They're too big. No. These ones are for you guys.
I'm going to clean up the cage while they're here.
Okay, all right. I won't give them too many more. Here you go. Here, Rocky. Here, Roxy. That's for you. And this one's for Rocky. There you go, Rocky. Don't let the puppies get them. Here. Oh my goodness. Well, hello, little cutie pie. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should be counting like the count from Sesame Street. What are you doing? Oh, look at it, all munching out on little treats. All but this guy. Here, little man. Look! Hey! Get out of there, you little buggers! What are you doing? Oh, you all know where they are now, don't you? Here, wait. Here, let me give it to you. Okay, can't have too many more because your dad said you had upset stomachs. Oh, Roxy, you got some great puppies, don't ya? Here's another treat for you, pretty girl. No more babies, eh? Tell your daddy, no more babies for you. You're done with the babies. I know a little white guy standing up right up on your back. Here. you silly boy. Oh, you funny babies. Oh, hey, that's my camera, you stinker. Here, no, leave it. Look, here. I got him here. Here, Roxy. I know, look at them. Oh my God. Here, that was for you, little baby. That was for you. Here, you can have one too. Don't worry, everybody gets one. Everybody gets one. Here. Okay. Wow. So all but one is gone. You don't want to keep them? You keep it too?
Keep one.
Oh, you keep one. I thought you were
And,
keeping. Look at her trying to steal it from her mom. Here,
that one
look.
over there.
Here. Oh.
That one over there. Oh, one looks like Rocky.
Yeah. That one looks the most like Buddy and Miles too. And this one.
Yeah. Anne's getting that one. She's getting next smallest one.
Oh, their
Like the one
teeth
behind
are
you,
some
one behind
sharp, eh?
One underneath your legs.
Oh, you
That
really
one.
cute. Look.
That's Matthew.
Matthew knows what teeth
Two
are.
toes is going to Sarah's friend.
Here. You're just not getting it, are you? Here, look. They want what's in the bag, but I'm giving you one right there, look. Oh my goodness, Rocky. They like treats, huh? They learned about treats pretty quick, didn't they? Jumping out. No, don't put in the bag. Don't put in the bag. No. Here. Oh, you already got one. Here. No. You're gonna get me in trouble. Rocky and Roxy, I'm not forgetting about you, don't worry. So that your babies aren't supposed to get these ones. Oh wow. That is some fun. Here, beautiful. Now you get it. Hey. Okay, you're chewing on one. You stole a big one out of the bag. You're all chewing on one. Except you. You don't have one. Oh, you did have one in your mouth. There. Oh my goodness, you guys are funny. There you go. Oh. Whoa, boy, it's warm in the sunshine. They're all having something to eat. They're all chewing on one. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This little guy's got one he's playing with. Here. Get out of there. Hey, you're not supposed to have those ones. They're too big. Here, look. Take that one. Oh my goodness. Roxy, what's he doing? This little guy's playing with the big one. He likes the big one. Here's one for you to play with. Play with that one. Here, Rocky. Oh my goodness. Roxy, look at how beautiful you are. Sitting there so nice. Here, that one's for you. Oh my goodness. Okay, where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You guys are funny. You're all funny. You're following me around. Here. Don't steal his.
I put something on my floor because the pee's going through.
Uh-oh. Well, it's 7 of them. It probably adds up, eh? Oh, Roxy.
What?
7 of them. It adds up. The pea, I mean.
Yeah.
bunch of cutie pies. We all have homes except the one black one. I think it's this one right here. You don't have a home yet, but everyone else has a forever home. And I think a whole bunch of them are really close to each other. Here. That little white one is a smart one. Oh my goodness. Here. Last one's out because I think you're going to get sick and your dad's going to get mad at me. Here, Rocky. You're back in there. Always in here. Here, look. There you go. All right. Wow, that's some pretty crazy camera work. What do you think, Roxy? Are they bugging you? Are they making you crazy? They seem to be playing with each other pretty good. Fighting. Oh God, there's crap all over there. Not crap. There's something all over this. What are you doing, Fuzzy?